Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Suman from Marketing Wikipedia team. In this particular lesson, you are going to learn about website planning and CMS. So take notes of every lesson. It's very important. Now get started. Now, tell me, what is website? Website is a collection of web pages which have their own name, own server, own identity and purpose. Just think you have a store and your store have one particular name, right? Have some space, a particular purpose. Like it can be a pharmacy or it can be a grocery shop. The purpose of your shop is to sell product, right? So in online world, it known as website. So why do you need a website? Website make your presence in online space. It's very important. It's like your online real estate. In offline world, your prospect visit the office, sees the decoration, and then asks for the solution, right? But in online space, you don't see your customer. So you must have a website which will convey your messages to your prospect, right? Now, what are the things you have to consider when you are planning your website? Number one, website objective. Without creating any goals, you will reach nowhere. You should have a proper plan which define your goals. If you are going to make a website for a restaurant, the goal should be more booking of tables. Let's suppose you are owner of an e-commerce website, so your goal should be generating more sales, right? Like if you are running an UPSC training center, the your goal should be what? Getting more enrollment of students, right? So before making any website, first set a goal. Now the content. What will be the content strategy? How the copywriting should be done to attract more customers? It will be discussed in detail in blogging or copywriting and the content marketing module. So for now, you just need to understand the process. The most important thing is to grab the attention of your visitors. So for that, you must have to come up with a killer headline and crafting an attention grabbing post. So don't worry, we are going to discuss everything in upcoming modules, right? So now let's go to the next, photo, video, and infographics. Photos, infographics are one of the key elements which can grab attention of your customer. So you have to use HD photos or good infographics in your website, right? So now web pages. See, if you are running a real estate website and you have to include your project, gallery, contact us, about us, booking pages, and many things. So you know what your different web pages you are solving every query of your customer, right? So be clear with your goals. Now, the structure of your website. When you talk about website, it should be a converting website. Our goal should be to get maximum result out of it. So here comes the AIDA model, which stands for attention, interest, desire, and action. Every converting website follows this. Most of the landing pages definitely follow this. So you are going to know about this in upcoming modules, so don't worry. But in short, I can say first you have to grab the attention of your visitor. Then talk about what they will get. Then you can talk about their desires, their untold pain, and the last, ask them to take action. Okay. Now, the best way to know what's working and what's not can be done by analyzing your competitor's website. That's it. Like real estate, first visit several websites of real estate and then you can see what are the web pages they have included in their website, take an idea about it and execute it on your website. Okay, let's see the things you should observe while analyzing your competitor's website: their headlines, the number of pages, and their menu. Take a quick note of each website you visit. Scroll their website and check the structure of their website. Observe how they design their website, what they write, how's their content, and take a note. Then you can play around it. Okay, so and you have to observe their footer also, the menu, and the extra things like their live chat, etc. um, so this thing can help you structure your website, and you can take inspiration out of it, but do not copy your competitor. Okay, this is it for this lesson. We have structured the entire course to help you step by step. The task of the day is visit 3 websites you love to visit, and take a look at the menu, headline, section, photo, videos, everything. Okay, do it. And thank you everyone. In next module, you are going to learn about website development.